Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. As you know that I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology. For paid online consultation, yes, you can definitely WhatsApp on 922681060. My dear friends, today I am going to talk about mouthwash, but herbal mouthwash, because Ayurveda has a lot to say about dental care. I am preparing the different videos regarding the Ayurvedic aspect of dental care. Today's topic is nature's mouthwash. So let us discuss about this herbal mouth rinsing, that is nature's mouthwash. Can you see the lady? She is performing that mouthwash. So, hello, my dear friends. Are you looking at the ingredient list on your commercial mouthwash and wondering what all those chemicals are? What if you could make an effective natural mouth rinse using ancient Ayurvedic wisdom? Oh my God! Today we are making a powerful herbal rinse using Triphala, a cornerstone of Ayurveda, to boost your oral health naturally. So, commercial mouthwashes often contain alcohol, artificial colors, and strong flavors that can sometimes be irritating or dry out the mouth. Ayurvedic herbal rinses used by our ancestors work with nature. They aim to clean the mouth, remove the toxins, kill harmful bacteria, and promote the balance, all using gentle yet potent herbs. This method not only cleans but can even activate the facial muscles. So, the star of our rinse today is Triphala, a blend of three fruits: Amalaki, Bibhitaki, and Haritaki. This Triphala, renowned in Ayurveda, using a Triphala based rinse, offers numerous benefits. Number one, this Triphala mouthwash kills the bacteria and reduces the mutans, effectively combats harmful oral bacteria, including Streptococcus mutans linked to the cavity formation. This Triphala rinsing or the mouthwash provides fresh breath, neutralizes the odor causing bacteria naturally. Next benefit, this Triphala mouthwash prevents the cavities and plaque, helps to reduce the plaque formation and the risk of decay. Triphala mouth rinse or mouthwash alleviates the mouth ulcers. Its healing properties can soothe and help heal canker sores or the mouth ulcers. Triphala mouthwash reduces the tooth hypersensitivity. Some people find it helpful for sensitive or hypersensitive teeth problem. Then Triphala mouthwash has antibacterial properties. This provides a broad cleansing action in the mouth. Now, making your own potent herbal rinse is surprisingly easy. Relax. Ingredients: you will need the Triphala powder, readily available online or in health stores. And of course, the water. Method: take 1 glass of water in a pan, add about half to 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder to the water. Bring the water to a boil. Let it simmer gently until the water volume reduces by about half. This allows the Triphala to infuse properly. Then, of course, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down completely. Once cool, strain the liquid through a fine sieve or cheesecloth into a clean bottle. Discard the powder residue. After brushing your teeth, take a comfortable amount of the Triphala rinse into your mouth. Switch it around thoroughly for 30 seconds to a minute. Then spit it out. Don't swallow it. Store your homemade rinse in the refrigerator. It should last for a few days. But of course, while using, you have to take it out beforehand and keep it for room temperature minimum from 10 minutes and then use it. Use this rinse once or twice daily after brushing the teeth. The taste of this mouthwash, Triphala, is astringent, bit unusual at first, but you will get used to it considering the benefits. Swap out the chemicals for the power of Ayurveda. This Triphala herbal rinse is a simple, natural, and effective way to enhance your oral hygiene, fight the bacteria, freshen the breath, and even help with mouth ulcers. So, are you ready to try making your own Triphala mouthwash? Let me know in the comment box. Give the video a like if you found it useful. Subscribe for more daily natural remedies and hit the notification bell. Cheers to a healthy mouth. I wish all the best. See you in the next video. Thank you very much and take care. Bye bye. I wish all the best.